Hello and welcome to Oclef Kinder. Today we're going to learn Peter Pan's Flight. This song is in A major, similar to the A five-finger scale that we practiced in the previous video. So if you weren't here for that, go back and watch that video. It's super helpful. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start in the same hand position. So this is our hand position. Bring the left hand down an octave for this piece, beginning with right hand only. So here we're playing fingers 1, 3, and 5. Left hand only plays 5, 1, 1. Let's play hands together. Let's play this line again. Left hand only. Hands together. The third line is the same as the beginning. Here's a fast rhythm set. Let's look a bit closer. Right hand only. Left hand only. Did you make sure to hold finger 5 for 3 beats? Both hands from measure 13. Right hand moves 1 octave higher. Let's take a moment to practice the last line, hands together. Great job. We're going to practice this from the beginning, hands together. Thank you so much for joining Oclef Kinder. Remember to follow these practice guidelines, and we'll see you next time. Happy practicing.